morning everyone. Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. Today we have an update from Maharashtra National Law University of Nagpur. So they have released the vacant seats availability with them and the procedure to apply. Already we have now students those who have written Clat 2023 examination has got seat allocation under various Clat consortium procedures under 5 different lists, but it is for the convenience of those students those who did not get any allocation under various counseling dates. So now individual universities have been releasing the available seats in their respective websites. So for the convenience and comfort of our students, we at Abhyaas Lawprep has created a dedicated website to check all the available vacancies of different universities under one single portal. Open the Google, just click on NLU vacancies. The first link which appears here, click on this. So here in this page, we will be redirecting you to the particular page. In this particular page, you will get the list of universities and the notification links. Whenever a university releases its vacancies, we immediately update that particular link in this portal and all the required information. So for updates to stay up to date with the available vacancies, please visit this website on a regular basis so that you will get first-hand information. So now we are going to discuss about Nagpur, available seats under Nagpur, MNLU Nagpur. So click on the notification, click on the link, you will be getting the notification here. It is for BA LLB and it is for BBA LLB. So both are same, not both are same in the sense the dates, the payments and the last date, everything is same for both BA LLB and BBA LLB. Here, in case of Nagpur, they did not disclose the available vacancies. They just released the notification for application of students. Those who did not got any allocation and those who are interested to apply with Maharashtra National Law University Nagpur, so they can apply through a particular link, but number of seats they did not disclose. And the last date to apply is 29th June 2023, 11:59 p.m. So before this particular time period, you need to apply for that, and you need not pay any fee for the application. So it is at free of cost. You see, if you are interested and if you did not get any allocation in different universities, you can simply apply here. And what are the eligible criteria? What is the eligible condition? If you are applying for BA LLB, so it is Nagpur has allowed only for 2 categories. One, All India General category and Reserve category belonging to the state of Maharashtra. And if you belongs to All India category, ranks up to 2300. So rank 1 to 2300 and general category people are eligible to apply for BA LLB, and all the reserve categories of Maharashtra cadre. So irrespective of your rank, if you belongs to Maharashtra category, you can apply here. So All India rank up to 2300 and Maharashtra cadre reservation categories. So you can apply for vacancies, and the final date is June 29, 2023. And if you belong to BBA LLB, if you want to enter into BBA LLB, so All India rank for general category up to 2700. In case of BA LLB, it is up to 2300. In case of BBA LLB, it is up to 2700. So for All India general category rank up to 2700, and all ranks of reserve category of Maharashtra state are eligible to apply. So if you are applying under All India category, only general category is eligible, rank up to 1 to 2700. And if you are applying for Maharashtra category, any reservation category of any rank are eligible to apply. So these are the dates again. Dates are same. June 29, 2023, 11:59 p.m. is the last date, and the merit list will be given on after June 30, 4 p.m. And those who have selected, the payment has to be done by July 4. So for applying for vacancy, you need not pay any payment if you got the seat allocation. After that, you can pay as per the university guidelines. So as of now, to apply under vacant seat, you need not pay any fee. Just fill in the details by clicking on the link. So what is the link? This is the link. No, no. First, you need to fill the form. This is the form. So for BLLB, this is the form, and BBLLB, click on this link. You will be redirected to the form. So fill in the candidate name, name of the candidate, Clat admit card number, Clat score, Clat All India rank, category of the candidate, phone number, alternative phone number, email ID. After filling all these things, simply you can click on the submit so that your candidature will be registered with Maharashtra National Law University, Nagpur. It is for BA LLB. It is same for BB LLB. Fill in all the details which as mentioned here and submit. So you need not pay any rupee for applying for vacant seats of Maharashtra National Law University of Nagpur. And after on June 30 after 4 p.m. you will get merit list of your candidature, and if you are appeared in that particular merit list, after that by July 4th you can pay as per as per directions of Maharashtra National Law University Nagpur. So very simple procedure without any payment for general category of All India rank and Maharashtra cadre any reservation category. So these are the conditions for Maharashtra National Law University of Nagpur. So if you have any doubts, you can always reach us at Abhyaas Lawprep, and the description we are placing our website link as well as our contact numbers. So whenever you have a doubt regarding law courses or how to apply for different universities, you can always contact us at any time. So utilize this opportunity as there is no payment for applying for vacancies. All the candidates, if you are meeting the required criteria, you can simply apply for vacancies, and if any vacancies are available, you will be considered and seat will be allocated for you. So utilize this opportunity. All the best. Thank you.